Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will consider the unboxing of Asus Vivobook that comes with 8th Gen i7 processor. It would come with 8GB DDR4 RAM with 1TB hard disk. Windows 10 is pre-installed. In this laptop, the fast charging capability is enabled. That means 60% can be charged within 49 minutes. And regarding battery backups, it can definitely last up to 4 to 5 hours with normal usage. Regarding keyboard, it is not backlit but decent amount of travel is provided. Body is not metallic but polycarbonic. Yes, M2 slot for SSD is available. You can connect to external GPU also. It doesn't have any fingerprint sensor and it would come with a CD or DVD drive. You can upgrade the RAM to maximum 32GB. There is touchpad and support multi-gesture. I would suggest this is the best laptop for beginners for video editing purposes. Asus gives 2-year global warranty for this laptop. So guys, that's all in this video. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.